Hi guys, how are you? Hope everything is going good and well with you. Welcome to your course. My name is Ben Hakat Abdel Jalil, your instructor, and I will be so happy to introduce you my course. As you are reading in the title, my course will teach you how hackers hack anonymously, and that's what makes it special between the other ethical hacking courses. In other way, I was between creating a complete ethical hacking course or creating a course in which I teach strategies and methods, not just long hours of sometimes useless content, to be honest, because this field is developing every single week and there are a lot of things that I have learned a few years ago, but nowadays they are completely useless, and people of course still teaching them under the name of complete ethical hacking course. So I said, yes, let's make something different. Let's make a course in which I teach only the strategies that can help a hacker to hack anonymously without getting any doubts on him, but of course without forgetting the base content. So I came out with this course, in which I have made the two first sections as a getting started sections, in which I aim more for the beginner students, of course. And that's what I have called the base content. Then came the practical hacking operations on the last section of the course. And of course, this is the most important section: hacking anonymously and avoid doubts. In conclusion, guys, don't forget that we are ethical hackers. We are not hackers, we are not learning to hack, but we are learning to secure and avoid. Learn how hackers hack will help us to avoid them and secure ourselves and the other people that we love. So guys, don't hesitate, make your choice. Don't forget that you have the 30 days money back guarantee to get your refund. Hopefully guys, I will see you down in the lectures, and peace.